Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now, once you're in the main menu, you will see your username tag at the top left corner. Just tap on your username, just tap on your profile picture, and this will open up your player ID menu. From this page, you can simply click on your current username, which will tell you that you can only change your name for the first time for free. And then you will probably need to spend some card. So go ahead and use your free rename, and once you type in your desired name, tap on the OK button. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you would like to change to this username. Tap on the OK button once again, and your username will immediately be changed on your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.